Nikon has just announced the long-awaited Z8, a camera that boasts impressive capabilities and the ability to deliver desired outcomes. However, to unlock its full potential, there are a few accessories that can drastically enhance your creative output. In this video, we will help you to find the 5 best accessories for Nikon Z8 that can take your artistic endeavors to a professional level. First, we have the Peak Design Travel Tripod, which features professional-level stability, impressive load capacity, and extended height combined within a compact body frame. The fast-locking, low-profile leg cams allow for swift deployment in mere seconds, without the hassle of flipping over traditional travel tripod legs. With a weight capacity of more than 20 pounds, this tripod is specifically optimized to support full-frame cameras paired with telephoto lenses. Moreover, its versatile features include low and inverted modes, allowing you to position your camera just inches off the ground for unique perspectives. An integrated load-hanging hook also provides extra stability when needed. The ultra-smooth omnidirectional compact ball head simplifies adjustments with a single ring, eliminating the need for bulky and confusing knobs. Furthermore, the removable pins enable compatibility with most Arca-type L brackets, providing even more flexibility for your gear. It also comes equipped with a built-in and stowable mobile mount, securely gripping any phone and case combination. So whether you're capturing professional shots or sharing memorable moments on social media, you can do it all with ease. And to top it off, it comes complete with a padded, weatherproof case to protect your investment from the elements. Up next, the Weebill 3 handheld gimbal stabilizer incorporates the best features of its predecessor, the Weebill 2, but with enhancements that make shooting with it even more enjoyable and effortless. Powered by a 10th generation chip, the Weebill 3 offers 6 selectable modes that enable smooth dynamic shots and capture crazy action sequences. The chip's advanced algorithm precisely eliminates subtle shakes by recalibrating the running curves based on practical data, resulting in reliable and stable performance. Its L-shaped hand grip ensures comfortable filming with just one hand. The 3-axis arms feature switch motors that facilitate convenient control and adjustment of the arms. With a payload capacity of up to 7.3 pounds, the Weebill 3 boasts dual quick-release plates that enable swift changes between different configurations. Once balanced, you can easily swap accessories without the need for rebalancing. The Weebill 3 includes all the essential control buttons for power, record, menu, and mode selection. It also incorporates a trigger button that triggers various actions, and a joystick for precise camera movement control, including a 360-degree pan, 310-degree tilt, and 340-degree roll. Additionally, it features a 0.96-inch OLED monochrome display for easy monitoring and settings adjustment. The K&F Concept X Square filter holder is crafted from Japanese AGC glass and features 36 layers of multi-coating. This ensures exceptional durability and makes it suitable for use in harsh weather conditions. The filters are not only waterproof, but also scratch-resistant. The holder itself has a convenient CPL insert mechanism that offers full protection. The large size of the CPL filter allows it to be compatible with ultra-wide-angle lenses. By using the circular polarizer, you can eliminate unwanted reflections from surfaces like glass, water, and even the camera itself. It also enhances color and contrast, particularly for capturing the beauty of the sky and clouds. You can even stack the circular polarizing filter with 2 100 by 100 square filters to capture extremely long exposure photos with polarizing effects. Alternatively, you can combine different filters to achieve various creative effects according to your preferences. Moreover, the kit includes a stylish leather pouch to protect the filters from impacts and scratches. In summary, the K&F Concept X Pro Square Filter Holder Kit offers excellent value with its included items, making it the perfect choice for photographers seeking to capture creative and cinematic shots. When shooting outdoors, you'll always feel the necessity for an external field monitor. The GM6S offers a bright and accurate display with a brightness of 1200 nits, and the REC 709 color calibration ensures a high-quality and true-to-life image. You can customize the display further by importing your own 3D LUTs through an SD card, with support for up to 25. Additionally, it provides various useful features such as a center marker, color space options, focus assist, false color, grid lines, video aspect ratios, waveform display, zebra pattern, and more. Filmmakers will appreciate the inclusion of cinematic anamorphic aspect ratios, including up to 2.35:1, which is beneficial for shooting movies or commercials. The sturdy metallic back shell offers protection for the internal structure and aids in heat dissipation. The GM6S supports input resolutions up to 4K DCI, while the screen itself is a resolution of 1920 by 1080. You can conveniently control camera functions through the adaptive camera control cable, enhancing efficiency. Although the monitor can only record video in 1080p, which matches its panel resolution, this feature is useful for quick sharing on social media platforms or when a quick preview is needed. And finally, experience the epitome of craftsmanship and style with the exquisite Andino Pro DLX single leather camera sling by RL Handcrafts. Meticulously handcrafted from genuine leather, every detail is perfected, from the meticulously stitched and waxed edges to the elegant nickel-plated brass hardware. The Andino Pro DLX offers unparalleled comfort and stability. With its integrated stabilizer and button adjustments, you can effortlessly achieve a custom fit that ensures your camera stays securely in place. Safety is a top priority, which is why this sling comes with a security strap. By attaching it to the left or right rings on either side of your camera, you'll have an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. With the Andino Pro DLX, accessing your camera has never been easier. Its patent-pending integrated stabilizer keeps the strap securely in place around your shoulder, eliminating any annoying rotation and maintaining optimal comfort and flexibility. Each Andino Pro DLX ring is meticulously hand-cut and treated with natural oils and wax, further enhancing its durability and timeless appeal. So elevate your photography experience with the Andino Pro DLX single leather camera sling, where beauty, comfort, and functionality converge in perfect harmony. So that was our list of the 5 best accessories for the Nikon Z8. Which one did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.